Hello everyone, welcome back to Craxoid. Today in this video, I'll be conducting a review of the latest Evolution X 7.9.2. This ROM has been just recently released and many of you may have been already using it. Today, I'll dive deep into the review and also I'll show you the changes, new features, benchmark scores, customizations and much more. Additionally, I'll provide you my honest opinion on whether this new version is the upgrade or downgrade from the previous version. So let's jump right in. As you can see, this is the latest Evolution X 7.9.2 running on Android 13. It also comes with Android security update of May 2023 and Quicksilver kernel is used in this ROM. It's worth noting that the previous build had Charcy kernel available. With that said, let's begin the video. Camera. Now let's dive into the camera aspect of this ROM. Just like its previous version, this ROM comes with none other than the MI camera. As always, this camera works flawlessly and offers a fully functioning 48 megapixel camera and portrait mode. When it comes to the camera quality, you won't be disappointed. The camera captures stunning photos with impressive detail and vibrant colors. The 48 megapixel lens ensures sharpness, allowing you to capture high resolution shots. Additionally, the portrait mode adds a beautiful bokeh effect, perfect for capturing professional looking portraits. Launcher. Now let's move on to the launcher aspect of this ROM. As you may already know, Evolution X ROM comes with its own Evolution X launcher, which is based on Launcher 3. Previously, in Evolution X 7.7 and 7.8 version, the ROM used the Pixel launcher. However, starting from version 7.8, they have reintroduced the Evolution X launcher and continue to provide it as the default option. When you enter the launcher's home screen settings, you will find several customization options for the home screen section. Some new options have been added as well. Two notable options are Allow Short Parallax and Single Page Center. By enabling the Allow Short Parallax option, you will experience a full wallpaper scroll effect instead of the wallpaper being cropped when you scroll through different pages. This means that you will be able to see the full-sized wallpaper as you navigate the home screen. However, if you don't enable this option, the wallpaper may appear cropped on different pages. I hope that clarifies the functionality for you. Similarly, enabling the single page center option will center the position of the wallpaper, but this option only works if you have only one page on your home screen. Now let's discuss the new changes. You will notice a new option called Background Opacity for the hot seat background. Enabling the hot seat background option allows you to adjust the opacity level of the app dock. As you can see on the screen, this option was not present in the previous version 7.9. It gives you more control over the appearance of the app dock. Moving on to the home screen section, you will find another new option called Corner Radius. This option allows you to change the radius of the search bar on the home screen. You can adjust the range from 0% to 100%. These are some of the new changes you will find in the home screen setting of the latest Evolution X 7.9.2. Now let's shift our focus to the recent setting. There haven't been any changes made in this area, but the option that was added in the previous build continues to be present. This option is Shake Phone to clear all tasks. With this feature, you can simply shake your phone to clear all the apps in the recent app list. This feature has been well received by many users. Lastly, when you explore the miscellaneous settings, you will find a few options similar to the previous build. There haven't been any changes made in this area, and unfortunately, the option to hide and protect apps is not available in this section. However, we'll explore different setting sections to see if we can find the option to hide and protect apps. So make sure to watch the video till the end without skipping. Antutu benchmark score. Now let's shift our focus to the benchmark scores. I have already performed the Antutu benchmark test and I am excited to share the results with you. As you can see, the Antutu benchmark score of the latest Evolution X 7.9.2 ROM is an impressive 248867. This score showcases a significant improvement compared to its previous build 7.9, which had an Antutu score of 201913. This indicates that the latest version of the ROM has made remarkable strides in terms of performance, delivering an enhanced user experience. The substantial increase in the Antutu benchmark score highlights the optimization and enhancement implemented in Evolution X 7.9.2, resulting in improved overall system performance. User experience. Now let's talk about the user experience of this ROM. One of the standout features of this ROM is its ability to provide a quicker and smoother user experience. You will enjoy fluid swiping and scrolling on the screen without any lags or stuttering. The ROM ensures a seamless and responsive interface, enhancing your overall interaction with the device. In addition to that, the quick setting panel has been improved significantly. Unlike the previous version where there was a slight delay when swiping down from the top, the latest Evolution X 7.9.2 ROM offers a lag-free experience. You'll appreciate the snappiness and responsiveness of the quick setting panel, allowing you to access important settings with ease. Now I'd like to hear from you about the app opening and closing speed of this ROM. Please share your thoughts in the comment section and let us know your honest opinion about the overall user experience. Your feedback and insights are valuable as they contribute to the collective understanding of the ROM's performance and user satisfaction. Ultimately, the aim of the Evolution X 7.9.2 ROM is to provide an exceptional user experience, ensuring smooth navigation, efficient multitasking, and seamless app performance. The ROM's focus on optimizing performance and eliminating lags enhances your day-to-day uses, making it a delightful option for users seeking a high-quality, user-friendly experience. Google Photo Storage. Now let's discuss the highly anticipated feature of unlimited Google Photo Storage. In a previous version, this ROM had temporarily removed the unlimited Google Photo Storage feature, which resulted in significant user dissatisfaction. However, due to overwhelming demand, the developers decided to bring back this feature. However, they have disabled it by default due to certain security concerns. To utilize the unlimited Google Photo Storage feature on this ROM, you will need to navigate to the Settings section. At the top of the Settings section, you will find the Evolver Settings option. Tap on it to access the additional setting. Scroll down to the bottom where you will find the Miscellaneous settings. Open this section and there you will see the option for unlimited photo storage. Simply enable this option and you will be able to upload an unlimited number of photos and videos to the Google Photos app without worrying about storage limitations. Enabling this feature provides a great advantage as you can freely back up your media files without the fear of running out of storage space. It ensures that you can preserve your precious memories and access them anytime through the Google Photos app. More miscellaneous settings. Moving on to the miscellaneous settings, you will discover a range of interesting and useful features that enhance your ROM experience. Let's explore some of these features. Game space. This feature is designed to enhance your gaming experience. It provides a dedicated space for gaming, allowing you to optimize performance and access additional gaming-related settings. With Game Space, you can unlock higher FPS in games, resulting in smoother gameplay and improved visuals. Netflix Spoof. This feature allows you to spoof your device as a different model specifically for Netflix. By doing so, you can watch Netflix content in high quality, taking advantage of the maximum resolution and features available on your ROM. Ignore Windows Secure Flags. This handy feature removes the restrictions on taking screenshots and screen recording for all applications. Not all apps provide access to these functions by default, but with the Ignore Windows Secure Flags option, you can capture screenshots and record your screen without limitations. If you are keen on exploring further customization within this ROM, you will find an abundance of options in the Evolver settings. This setting provides extensive customization possibilities across various sections, including themes, status bar, notifications, quick settings, power menu, gestures, lock screen, buttons, animations, and more. The level of customization available in this ROM is truly impressive and allows you to tailor your device's appearance and functionality to suit your preferences. Apps. Let's explore the app settings of the Evolution X ROM, where a notable addition introduced in the previous version is the Transistent Task Mode. This feature modifies the behavior of apps in the recent app section when you close them using the back button or back gesture. By default, this feature is disabled, allowing apps to remain in the recent apps section after being closed. However, with the transient task mode enabled, you have three options to choose from. The force override behavior option ensures that any app you navigate back from using the back button or gesture is forcefully cleared from the recent app section. This means that when you close an app, it won't appear in the recent apps list, providing a cleaner and more streamlined experience. It's important to note that this feature won't clear the app from the recent app section if you navigate back using the home button or home gesture. This distinction offers flexibility in managing your recent apps and allows you to keep certain apps accessible even after closing them. The introduction of the transient task mode is a relatively new implementation, and opinions on this feature may vary among users. I am curious to hear your thoughts on this addition. Please feel free to share your opinions in the comment section and let us know how you perceive this feature and its impact on your overall app usage. Battery. Now let's talk about the battery setting in this latest version. There haven't been big changes compared to the previous one, but don't worry, you still have all the important settings to make your device battery last longer. In the battery setting, you will find features like adaptive preferences. This clever feature adjusts how your battery is used based on how you use your device. It makes sure power is used efficiently for the apps and services you use the most. This helps your battery last longer and improves overall efficiency. There's also a smart charging option. It helps protect your battery's health by controlling how fast it charges. It prevents overheating and reduces stress on the battery, which can make it last longer over time. And of course, there's a battery optimization feature. It helps you manage which apps use the most battery power. To get the most out of your battery, you can try some simple tricks. Lowering your screen brightness, turning off unnecessary features, and closing unused apps can all help save battery power and make it last longer. In summary, the Evolution X ROM has all the necessary battery settings to optimize your device's battery life. Security settings. Now let's talk about the security setting of this ROM. The good news is that it offers both fingerprint and face unlock option, so you can choose the method that suits you best to secure your device. Unfortunately, I could not personally test the fingerprint unlock feature since my phone does not have a fingerprint sensor, but for those who do have a compatible sensor, they can enjoy the convenience and security it provides. In addition, there is a feature called App Lock within the security settings. This feature allows you to protect specific app using biometrics or your device credential. It's a handy option if you want to add an extra layer of security to certain apps, keeping your personal information and data safe. By accessing the protected app section within the App Lock feature, you can choose which apps you want to protect. This means that whenever you or someone else tries to access those apps, they will be prompted to provide biometric authentication or enter your device credentials. It's a useful feature if you want to keep certain apps private and restrict unauthorized access. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the Evolution X 7.9.2 ROM offers a lot of great features and provides a smooth and stable user experience. With minor changes and improvements, it delivers a lag-free quick setting panels and impressive Antutu benchmark score. The new customization available in the home setting are also noteworthy. During my uses, I found the ROM to be stable, providing a seamless user experience without any noticeable bugs. Overall, I highly recommend the Evolution X 7.9.2 ROM for those looking for a smooth and feature-rich custom ROM experience. It combines performance, customization and stability, making it a great choice for Android enthusiasts. Give it a try and enjoy the enhanced functionality and customization option it brings to your device. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, share this video and subscribe to Craxoid YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell for more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.